Okay, so let's have a look at example 10. So I'm not going to write anything down on this one. Feel free to make notes. It is going to all be calculator work. For each of the following functions, find the equation of the horizontal asymptotes. So an asymptote is something we talked about before. It's a limit of the graph. The coordinates of the point where the curve cuts the y-axis and state whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so the first function is f of x, the function, is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 2. So, calculator, scratch pad. First thing we're going to do is input our graph. So it's squared, so power of x. Make sure you press to the right so that you're not typing into the exponential function. So we've got this blue curve now that represents this function 3 to the power of x. So the horizontal asymptote, well, y equals 3, I'll just punch that in so we can see it, okay? So 3 to the power of x is the red line and is asymptotic on the x-axis. What's the difference between the red curve and the blue curve? It's this plus 2. And so this value is going to be asymptotic at y equals 2. Get rid of this function, don't need that function anymore. So y equals 2 is the horizontal asymptote. The equation of where it cuts the y-axis. Where's that value? Well, two ways to do this. We could put 0 in here, and 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Add 2, so this value is 3. We can count 1, 2, 3, or we can use menu, trace, graph trace, and then hit 0, and it tells us that 0 and 3. So the coordinates of the point where it cuts the y-axis is 0, 3, and this, as x increases, this function is moving up and is increasing. So that's an exponential curve. We'll do part B in the next video.